Imagine the world of audio being completely rewritten. Everything you thought you knew about noise cancellation, spatial awareness, and even how you interact with your devices is on the verge of a massive seismic shift. For years, Apple has dominated the wireless earbud market, but the rumors surfacing about the AirPods Pro 4 suggest we aren't just looking at a minor upgrade. We are looking at a total hardware revolution that could turn your earbuds into the most intelligent wearable you own. The industry is buzzing with leaks that point toward a future where your AirPods don't just play music, they see the world around you. Reports from the most reliable insiders suggest that Apple is experimenting with a design so radical it feels like something out of a science fiction movie. We're talking about the integration of infrared camera modules directly into the earbuds themselves. This isn't just about taking photos, it's about giving your AirPods eyes. These sensors are rumored to be capable of detecting complex hand gestures in midair, allowing you to control your environment without ever touching a button or your phone. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Asterisk as we dive deeper into these high-level leaks. The implications for the USA market and tech enthusiasts worldwide are staggering. This technology isn't just a gimmick. It's a foundational piece of Apple's broader ecosystem strategy, potentially linking your audio experience directly with the spatial computing power of the Vision Pro and the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max. The heart of this new beast is expected to be the H4 silicon chip. This isn't just a bump in processing power. It's a specialized AI engine designed to handle real-time environmental data. While the current H2 chip does an incredible job of neutralizing background noise, the H4 is rumored to take adaptive audio to a level we've never seen. Imagine walking through a crowded street in New York or London and having your AirPods not just block out the noise, but intelligently identify specific sounds you need to hear, like a car horn or someone calling your name, while keeping everything else in a vacuum of silence. This level of computational acoustics is what will separate the AirPods Pro 4 from every other competitor on the market. But the H4 chip isn't just about sound, it's about efficiency. One of the biggest complaints from Pro users has always been battery life during long Zoom calls or international flights. The leaks suggest that the architecture of the H4 chip, combined with new high-density battery technology, could push the listening time to over 12 hours on a single charge. When you factor in the redesigned charging case, which is rumored to feature an OLED display of its own for quick status updates and Find My Directions, you're looking at a device that rarely needs to be plugged in. Let's talk about the health revolution that's being baked into these tiny devices. We've seen Apple turn the watch into a medical-grade health tracker, and now the AirPods Pro 4 are set to follow suit. Leaked internal documents suggest the inclusion of a high-precision body temperature sensor and a heart rate monitor that tracks your vitals directly through the skin of your ear canal. This is actually more accurate than wrist-based tracking because the ear canal provides a more stable reading of your core biometrics. For athletes and biohackers in the States, this is a game changer. You could be getting real-time coaching in your ear, with the H4 chip analyzing your heart rate variability and suggesting you push harder or take a break, all while you're listening to your favorite playlist. There's even talk of super hearing capabilities, a medical-grade transparency mode that acts as a hearing aid for those with mild hearing loss, further blurring the line between consumer tech and health tech. The design of the AirPods Pro 4 is also expected to undergo a grip fit transformation. Apple has spent years mapping thousands of ear shapes, and the fourth generation is rumored to use a new liquid metal or high-friction polymer that ensures the earbuds stay locked in place regardless of how much you move. The stems, which have been getting shorter with every generation, might disappear entirely or become even more recessed, giving the AirPods a sleek, invisible look. This is the aesthetic premium market is craving, something that is functional but doesn't scream for attention. But don't let the minimalist look fool you. The internal hardware is being packed with more components than ever before. Those infrared cameras we mentioned earlier, they are expected to facilitate Spatial Audio 2.0. Currently, spatial audio relies on gyroscopes to track your head movement. With cameras, the AirPods can actually map the physical room you are in, bouncing sound off walls and furniture with mathematical precision to create a 360-degree soundstage that feels like you're sitting in the middle of a live orchestra. As we look toward the release date, the patterns suggest a launch in the second half of 2026. Apple usually sticks to a 3-year cycle for their Pro Audio line, and with the AirPods Pro 3 having launched in 2025 with incremental updates, the Pro 4 is being positioned as the mega update everyone has been waiting for. The pricing is expected to stay in that premium $249 to $299 range, but there are whispers of an ultra tier that could go even higher if Apple decides to include the OLED case and the full camera suite as a separate model. For those who live in high CPM regions like the US, UK, and Canada, the availability will be immediate, but the demand is expected to be through the roof. If these leaks are even 80% accurate, we're looking at the end of the dumb earbud era. Think about the way you currently use your tech. You touch your phone to change a track, you look at your watch to check your heart rate, and you adjust your earbuds manually when they feel loose. The AirPods Pro 4 aim to eliminate all of those friction points. By using AI and computer vision, these earbuds will know what you want before you even do. They will sense when you're starting a workout and automatically activate heart rate tracking. They will see your hand gesture to swipe a song away. They will even detect if you've left them in a public place and send a high-priority alert to your iPhone 18. This is the Apple Intelligence ecosystem coming to its full realization. The competition from Sony and Bose is fierce, but Apple is moving the goalposts entirely. They aren't just competing on sound quality anymore. They're competing on how much life they can fit into your ears.